Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a BMW X3 grill. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a T20 torque screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. To prevent any scratches or damage, carefully protect the front bumper area with a soft cloth or some painter's tape. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and successful replacement process, ensuring your car remains pristine. Now, let's remove the old grille. Begin by carefully using your trim removal tool to unclip the top tabs, applying gentle pressure. Once the top is free, gently pull the grille outwards to release the lower clips from their secure slots. Be mindful of any attached sensors or wiring harnesses. Disconnect these carefully before fully removing the old grille. Take your time with each step to avoid damaging the surrounding components or the clips themselves. With the old grille removed, it's time to install the new one. First, carefully reconnect any sensors or wiring harnesses to your new grille assembly. Next, align the lower clips of the new grille into their corresponding slots on the bumper. Once aligned, push the grille firmly into place, ensuring all the top tabs securely click, indicating a proper fit. Double-check that the grille is flush and secure, providing a factory-like finish. Finally, perform a thorough inspection. Verify that your new grille is securely fastened and sits perfectly flush with the bumper, leaving no gaps. If your grille had sensors, test them to ensure they are functioning correctly after reinstallation. This ensures both aesthetics and safety are maintained. And hey, if you love diving into new stories, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.